Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can customize Shopify trade theme in 2024, and this video will be a beginner guideline for you guys. In this video, if you watch throughout the video, then you will find out that I am going to break down step by step process for you guys. So let's get started. So here you can see we already using trial version over that place, so we will not able to access all the features in Shopify, so we will have some obstacle, but by the way we can overcome this by using some apps and themes in this platform. So here you can see we already set up our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store admin panel, and if you want to visit our online store, just click over here, and as you can see we already had set up our Shopify store. This is coupon code, and we have some product over here. As you can see, this is the product. We have menu bar also, so we need a logo and something. Furthermore, we needed to make our Shopify store more engaging for our customers. So here, if I want to install a new, like I can say that will be new theme, then I just need to be go over here in the sales channel. After the sales channel, I will find out this online store, where you can see we have couple of options that's called themes, and here you can see we right now install Dawn current theme, and here if I want to install a new theme over that place, that for reason I just need to be go here, and we have a store like Play Store and iStore, and we have like Shopify provided us a store where we are allowed to install new themes or free theme in Shopify. So let's click on visit theme store. Once I click over here, then you can see we have 23 free themes over that place. So here I'm going to search for trade theme. Yeah, you can see we already get suggestion about that place, so I'm going to click on this, and then you can see this is the trade theme. As you can see, these are already responsible. If you want to read the feature, then you are allowed to read it. Like you can see this theme is great for high volume stores and also members only store, and it has cart and checkout page, marketing and conversation, merchandising, product delivery, and built with confidence the same store promise. So as you can see, it has many advantages. So if you want to read the reviews, you can read the reviews. Here we have almost 37% positive reviews, and if you want to read it, you are allowed to read it one by one. So I'm going to do the main work. That for reason I'm going to click over here try theme, and mainly this theme developed by Shopify itself, so it is officially themed from Shopify. So I'm going to click on try theme. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now it will take a time to adding trade to your online store themes, so you need to be wait a while. Once it install, you will redirect to theme page again, and in here you can see it has been installing. So just go onto the refresh page and click here, and it will be refreshed. And by the way, you can see it already installed here. It will take a while, so you need to be wait a bit. So here you can see it already installed over that place. If I click over here in the publish, then it will be published publicly, and if I go over here then check out the preview option, then you can see the store preview over here. This is the store, and this looks really amazing, and I can say it is pretty much adorable than previous one. And here we can install insert partner logo, and we can change whatever. Let's click on blog. Yeah, it looks nice. Then we have product. Well, yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing by the free one. So I'm going to click on publish, and online store is password protected. You can remove the password after your publish theme. So click on publish. Yeah, it's already installed in our Shopify store. So I'm going to customize this theme. That for reason I'm going to click this customize, or I can visit in the home page and then I will click over here customize theme. So I have both options. So I'm going to click on customize. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the editing panel. So here I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to add some options. Here you can see we have this editing panel in the left side. So I am going to choose here announcement bar, welcome to our store. So I'm going to make it get subscribe our channel, and then you can see it's already changed. And here you are allowed to change the color. You can see auto rotate announcement. So you can see auto rotate announcement. You can change the color scheme if you need it. So let's change it. So it's look it's not enough good, so I'm going to make it previous one. So it's look nice. Let's make it 5. Yes, 5 was really good. And then you have utilities option, like you can include social media icons, country, region, sector, and many more. Also you are allowed to add custom CSS. And here let's go on to the header. So in header you can see we have middle left option, top center. We have various options, so you can check it one by one which one is like relevant for your design. You are allowed to choose it. So I'm going to choose this middle top center. It looks really nice. Then I'm going to choose menu will be main menu, then drop down. Let's click on drop down. Like you need to be explore it one by one, so you will identify which one looks really nice for your design. And here also we have the spacing option, padding option. I'm just going to click. First of all, let's check the mobile preview. Yeah, it looks really amazing. Yeah, I'm going to click on desktop and click on save. And here I'm going to insert some logo. So my header work has been done. Now I'm going to image banner. So I don't have any images yet, so but I just want to change it. So here you can see image 1, image 2. Then let's download an image which will look really nice. So that for reason I'm going to visit on Canva, click on new window, then search for Canva, and I will give, or I am going to use a platform called Magic AI, where I am allowed to create AI images. So here I am going to visit on Magic Media, give me a store image fashion for boys, and let's change the square. It will be landscape, style will be filmic, and click on generate. And again it will take a while, then I will get my desired image. So I need to choose one from these 4 images. So let's wait a bit. So here you can see we have these images. In here I think this one looks pretty much nice, so I'm going to choose this one, and here I will resize it like probably how I want this. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, definitely it looks really nice. So I'm going to click on download, and I will make it JPG. Then I will make sure the quality will be 100. Then I will select all and go into the top bottom, and then I will select page 14 and click on download. Once I click over here, it will take a while to download it, and once download complete, I will visit that place and I will select images and click on add files, visit on downloads, and here I will have these images. So as you can see, it has been downloading or uploading over that place. So once complete, I will get the option to click on done, and now you can see our image has been uploaded. So if you want to do anything like overlay opacity, you are allowed to do it. So here you can see and make it not that much, it would be good. And now it looks amazing. You are allowed to use image 2, so I'm going to use this one for image 2. Yeah, it looks amazing. And here alignment will be center, not center, left will be good. Color scheme or container, no, not container. So you need to be explore one by one to find out the desired design. So it looks nice for me, so I'm going to reduce the opacity. Now I'm going to change this text here. After the image banner, you have the text option, heading option. So it has all these options. Like you can see, if you want to add insert partner logo, just go over here and give me a logo, transparent logo of Adidas. and here we have couple of logos over that place. So I'm going to copy one of them, and then I will copy here. I will click on open image in a new tab. It is not transparent, so I need a transparent one which will be good for my design. That for reason I am choosing or finding a transparent. So here I need to be find out which one will be transparent, or if not transparent, then I will go over here, I will download this image, and then or this one, let's download it, and I will come over here into the Canva, and then I will come that place on the home. In the home I am going to create a design, so it will be custom design, and I'm going to make it 150 to 100 or 50. It will be square design, and create a new design. So the process is very simple. I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So I'm going to upload this one in over that place, and then I will click on BG remover, because I have the premium plan on Canva, so I am allowed to use this one as possible as it. So I'm going to click on download again, then click on PNG, then click on transparent background, then click on download. As you can see how easy the process was. So again visit on that place and go over here and click on column, and here we have the option in the right corner, select. So again click on add files, and here we have these options. Yeah, maybe not this one. Yeah, let's choose this one. It will take a while. Now it's had been done, so I'm going to check this out, and done. And you will probably see the changes over that place. So the process is really simple. I hope you already understand how this element works. Like in the left corner you will get all this section where you are allowed to add section and elements, and if you want to edit individual blocks or elements, then just click one of them, and in the right corner you will get all this option to change the particular element. So the process is really simple. I hope you already understand how you can customize a new theme with whatever you theme you are using. You are now able to change of them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.